Your marketing is bleeding money and you don't know what to do about it. Hey guys, I'm Justin R. French, aka the Revenue Ronin. If you're looking for more revenue for your business, you're in the right place. So every month you wait is another month of unpredictable revenue, wasted ad spend, missed growth opportunities and targets. I want to introduce you to the way of the Ronin. This is about discipline, data, and results. I have over 20 plus years in business, high-tech management, sales and marketing mastery. I've generated over $100 million if you combine my clients and employers. And I've worked with over 200 businesses plus upwards around 1,000 if you combined all of my businesses. So I have a lot of expertise, and this is my way of highlighting the expertise for you guys. So there's a revenue trap in your business from 1 to 10 million. Unpredictable revenue, month-to-month roller coaster, can't forecast, can't scale confidently. Wasted marketing ad spend, burning 5 to 20K a month on non-performing ads with unclear return on investment, no strategic oversight. That was one of the main reasons I got into digital marketing was I was sick and tired of hearing horror stories of companies spending money on marketing agencies and consultants and getting zero return on investment. And so I vowed to and made it part of my mission to help companies deliver that return on investment in 90 days or less. Broken marketing sales handoff, leads are not converting, sales is blaming marketing, marketing is blaming sales, this constant back and forth. And you can't justify a full-time CMO of $250,000 a year. And you need that strategic expertise without that full-time cost. So here's a strategic revenue architecture that I've come up with. It's really architecting your success. And there's three critical capabilities that make the difference. Number one, competitive intelligence gathering, finding those market gaps competitors miss, creating those unfair advantages before we even launch the first campaign. Next is high stakes execution. So I've managed over $1 million in ad budget, making split second decisions when money is bleeding, very small tweaks, and that have the most impact. And then revenue systems, connecting paid media with automation, CRM systems, and sales into predictable revenue engines. And this brings multi-industry pattern recognition and wisdom across SaaS, fintech, biotech, and e-commerce. So this is a battle-tested track record. Again, 100 million plus revenue generated, over 200 plus businesses I've helped, managed over $1 million in ad budgets. And some of those to highlight 12x ROI on mortgage campaigns, 3x revenue increase for some auto loans, 30,000 leads generated for the biotech startup, and regularly exceeding B2B revenue targets. So here's the Revenue Ronin methodology: discipline, data, and results. Samurai level execution, daily commitment beats motivation, systematic processes that scale, building that out. Analytics driven decisions, no ego, only metrics. So revenue attribution on every dollar, and results, revenue first frameworks, always prioritizing revenue, measurable outcomes always, and ROI, return on investment accountability. So this isn't just strategy, not just execution, but both together relentlessly. So when I win, you win. So based on this performance-based partnership, which typically is about 6 months ideally, the minimum I'll work with a client on a campaign is 3 months, but I like the sweet spot is 6 months. So performance-based partnerships, hourly rate slash retainer plus a percentage based on performance. Part of my compensation is tied directly to your results, which makes it a true partnership. When your revenue grows, I share in that success, and my company shares in that success, the Revenue Ronin Agency. So again, your success is my success, literally. So if you're ready to turn marketing into a revenue machine, please reach out. These are my contact details, and I'd love to set up a marketing profitability review or discovery session, and look forward to connecting with you. All right, this is Justin R. Results French, aka the Revenue Ronin. Stay hungry, stay humble. We'll see you guys at the top. Much love. Peace.